Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, on the bus, or taking a break, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring 3 essential words: very, much, and enough.
These words describe degree and amount, and native speakers use them constantly.
Understanding them helps you sound natural and precise in English.
They're used in almost every English conversation.
By the end of this episode, you'll use all 3 with total confidence.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these 3 words do.
They all modify. They change the meaning of other words.
But they work differently and go in different positions in a sentence.
Very makes something stronger or more intense.
Much talks about a large degree or large amount.
Enough means sufficient, just the right amount, not too little.
Let's explore each one carefully.
Word 1, very.
Very is an adverb of degree.
It makes adjectives and adverbs stronger.
Think of it as a volume button. Very turns the meaning up.
Structure, very plus adjective or very plus adverb.
She is very tall. He runs very fast. It is very cold today.
Uses of very.
Use 1. Very plus adjective.
The food is very delicious. She is very intelligent. He is very tired.
The movie was very interesting. This bag is very heavy. She looks very happy.
Use 2. Very plus adverb.
He speaks very quickly. She sings very beautifully. They work very hard.
I understand very clearly. He drives very carefully. She arrived very late.
Use 3. Very in common expressions.
Very well. Very good. Very nice to meet you. Thank you very much.
I'm very sorry. That's very kind of you. Very interesting.
What very cannot do.
Very cannot go before verbs.
Wrong. I very like pizza. Correct. I really like pizza. Or I like pizza very much.
Very cannot go before nouns.
Wrong. She has very friends. Correct. She has many friends.
Very cannot go before comparative adjectives alone.
Wrong. It is very bigger. Correct. It is much bigger.
Use much, not very, to strengthen comparatives.
Word 2. Much.
Much is used in several different ways, so pay close attention.
It can be a quantifier, an adverb, or part of fixed expressions.
The key idea of much is a large degree or large amount.
Use 1. Much plus uncountable noun, mainly in negatives and questions.
Do you have much time? She doesn't have much money. Is there much traffic?
He doesn't have much experience. Do we have much milk? There isn't much sugar.
In positive statements, we usually prefer a lot of instead.
More natural, she has a lot of money. Less common, she has much money.
Use 2. Much plus comparative adjective or adverb.
This is very important. Much makes comparisons stronger.
She is much taller than him. This is much better. He runs much faster.
The new phone is much more expensive. It's much colder today. Your English is much improved.
Use 3. Much after verbs, mainly in negatives and questions.
I don't travel much. Does she read much? He doesn't sleep much.
Do you exercise much? They don't talk much. She doesn't complain much.
Use 4. Very much, together as a fixed phrase.
Thank you very much. I like her very much. He enjoyed it very much.
She misses her family very much. I appreciate it very much.
Use 5. How much? For questions about amount or price.
How much does it cost? How much time do we have? How much sugar do you need?
Use 6. Too much. More than necessary.
He eats too much. There is too much noise. She worries too much.
Use 7. So much. A very large amount, often emotional.
I love you so much. She helped me so much. Thank you so much.
Word 3. Enough.
Enough means sufficient, just the right amount, not too little.
Key idea is the needed level has been reached.
Think of it as a goal. Enough means you have arrived at that goal.
Enough is special because of its position in a sentence.
The position changes depending on what it modifies. This is critical.
Use 1. Enough plus noun. Enough comes before nouns.
Do we have enough food? She has enough money. There is enough time.
Do you have enough chairs? Is there enough light? They have enough resources.
Use 2. Adjective plus enough. Enough comes after adjectives.
This is a very common mistake. Remember, enough goes after the adjective.
She is tall enough. Is the water hot enough? He is old enough to drive.
Are you strong enough? The room is big enough. Is she confident enough?
Wrong. She is enough tall. Correct. She is tall enough.
Wrong. It is enough hot. Correct. It is hot enough.
Use 3. Adverb plus enough. Enough comes after adverbs.
She speaks clearly enough. He runs fast enough. Does she sing well enough?
You are working hard enough. She arrived early enough. He spoke loudly enough.
Use 4. Adjective plus enough plus 2. Showing a result or purpose.
She is tall enough to reach the shelf. He is old enough to vote. Is it warm enough to swim?
Are you strong enough to carry this? She is smart enough to understand.
Use 5. Not enough. Below the necessary level.
There is not enough time. She doesn't have enough confidence. I don't sleep enough.
The light isn't bright enough. He doesn't practice enough. We don't have enough staff.
Use 6. Enough of. Before pronouns and specific nouns.
I've had enough of this. Enough of the noise, please. Enough of the complaints.
The key differences.
Let's compare all 3 directly.
Very equals high degree, makes things stronger and more intense.
Much equals large amount or degree, especially in comparisons, negatives, and questions.
Enough equals sufficient amount. You have reached the right level.
Different positions in a sentence.
Very comes before adjectives and adverbs.
Much comes before comparatives and uncountable nouns, or after verbs.
Enough comes before nouns, but after adjectives and adverbs.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Alex, is this coffee hot enough for you?
It's very hot, actually, but yes, it's hot enough. Do you have much coffee at home?
Not much. I don't drink much coffee, but I have enough for this week. Is the sugar enough?
Yes, it's very sweet already. I don't need much more. This cup is very small, though.
Is it big enough for you? I have a much bigger cup if you want.
This is enough, thank you. You're very kind. Do you usually have much time for breakfast?
Not much. I wake up very early, but I'm never early enough. Do you have enough time in the morning?
I do. I'm very organized. I prepare enough food the night before. It doesn't take much time.
That's very smart. I'm not organized enough. I waste too much time looking for things.
You should plan ahead. It helps very much.
You're very right. I'll try to be much more organized. Is your breakfast enough to keep you full?
Very much so. I eat enough protein in the morning. It helps very much with energy.
That's very good to hear. I should eat much better. I don't eat enough vegetables either.
Did you notice all three words?
Hot enough. Enough after adjective.
Very hot. Very before adjective.
Not much coffee. Much with uncountable noun in negative.
Enough for this week. Enough before noun.
Very sweet. Very before adjective.
Much bigger. Much before comparative.
Very kind. Very before adjective.
Not much time. Much in negative context.
Very early. Very before adverb.
Early enough. Enough after adverb.
Too much time. Much in too much expression.
Very organized. Very before adjective.
Organized enough. Enough after adjective.
Much more organized. Much before comparative.
Very much so. Fixed expression.
All three used naturally in one conversation.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Using very before verbs.
Wrong. I very enjoy this. Correct. I really enjoy this. Or, I enjoy this very much.
Very modifies adjectives and adverbs, not verbs.
Mistake 2. Using very before comparative adjectives.
Wrong. She is very taller. Correct. She is much taller.
Use much to strengthen comparatives, not very.
Mistake 3. Putting enough before adjectives.
Wrong. She is enough tall. Correct. She is tall enough.
Enough comes after adjectives and adverbs, not before.
Mistake 4. Using much with countable nouns.
Wrong. She has much friends. Correct. She has many friends.
Much is for uncountable nouns. Many is for countable nouns.
Mistake 5. Forgetting enough goes after adverbs.
Wrong. He doesn't speak clearly enough. Correct. He speaks clearly enough.
Enough follows the adverb it modifies.
Mistake 6. Using very for large amounts with nouns.
Wrong. I have very homework. Correct. I have a lot of homework.
Very doesn't quantify nouns. Use much, many, or a lot of.
Position rules. Summary.
Very, position rules.
Very plus adjective. Very cold. Very happy. Very tall.
Very plus adverb. Very quickly. Very well. Very loudly.
Very plus much. Fixed phrase. Thank you very much. I like it very much.
Much, position rules.
Much plus uncountable noun. Much water. Much time. Much effort.
Much plus comparative. Much better. Much faster. Much more expensive.
Afterverb in negatives and questions. I don't travel much. Does she read much?
Fixed phrases. Too much. So much. How much. Very much.
Enough position rules.
Enough plus noun. Enough food. Enough time. Enough money.
Adjective plus enough. Tall enough. Hot enough.
strong enough.
Adverb plus enough. Fast enough. Well enough. Clearly enough.
Adjective plus enough plus to. Old enough to vote. Fast enough to win.
Real life scenarios.
At a restaurant.
Is the soup hot enough? Yes, it's very hot. Do they have enough tables?
Is there much waiting time? Not much. I've eaten enough, thank you.
At work.
Do you have enough time to finish? Is the salary good enough? She works very hard.
There isn't much time left. Is your experience enough for the job?
At school. Is the explanation clear enough? Do we have enough examples? She is very intelligent.
I don't have much time to study. Are the notes detailed enough? He tries very hard.
Shopping. Is this bag big enough? How much does it cost? It's very expensive.
Do you have enough cash? Is the quality good enough? The discount isn't much.
Health and fitness. Do you sleep enough? She exercises very regularly. I don't drink much water.
Am I strong enough for this workout? The session was very intense. That's enough for today.
Comparing all three side by side. Topic. Temperature.
It is very cold. High degree, strong intensity.
It is cold enough to snow. Sufficient degree. Right level for a result.
It's much colder than yesterday. Comparison. Stronger than before.
Topic. Money.
She doesn't have much money. Small amount, much in negative.
She has enough money to buy the ticket. Sufficient for a purpose.
This restaurant is much more expensive than that one. Comparison.
Topic. Speed.
She runs very fast. Very plus adverb. High degree.
She runs fast enough to win. Sufficient speed for a result.
She runs much faster than before. Much plus comparative. Comparison.
Topic. Time.
I am very busy. High degree of busyness.
I don't have much time. Small amount of time. Negative.
I have enough time to finish. Sufficient time for a purpose.
Fixed expressions with all three.
With very.
Very well. Very good. Very soon. Very likely. I'm very sorry.
That's very kind. Very nice to meet you. Very interesting.
With much. Thank you very much. Too much. So much. How much? Very better.
As much as possible. Not much. Much more. Much less.
With enough. Enough is enough. Fair enough. Sure enough. That's enough. Good enough.
More than enough. Enough said. Strangely enough. Oddly enough.
Quick review.
Very for degree before adjectives and adverbs.
Much for amount and degree. Comparisons, negatives, and questions.
Enough for sufficiency before nouns, after adjectives and adverbs.
Very cannot go before verbs or comparatives alone.
Much is used for comparatives and in negatives and questions with uncountable nouns.
Enough always comes after adjectives and adverbs, never before.
Very turns up the intensity. Much shows large quantity or comparison. Enough shows you've reached the goal.
Don't say very taller. Say much taller.
Don't say enough hot, say hot enough.
Don't say I very like it. Say I like it very much.
Very plus adjective, very cold. Much plus comparative, much colder. Adjective plus enough, cold enough.
You now understand all three completely.
These three words will make your English sound much more natural.
Very soon, you'll use them without even thinking.
And that is more than enough for today.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear and natural lessons.
Leave a comment below. Write one sentence using very, one using much, and one using enough.
We love reading your practice sentences.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building your confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.